Do you feel stuck when speaking English? You know the words, you understand English, but when you try to speak, your mind goes blank. Why? Because you are still translating. You think in your language, then translate, then speak. That delay is the real problem. But here's the good news. Backhand index pointing right. You can train your brain to think directly in English, even if you are a complete beginner. And in this video, I will show you exactly how. Step by step. This is not a grammar lesson. This is a thinking system. If you follow this daily, you will speak faster. You will feel more confident. You will stop translating naturally. Important rule. Don't just watch. Speak with me. Most learners make this mistake. They try to think full sentences in their mind. That is slow. Your brain does not like long processing. Instead, think in small words or ideas. Instead of thinking, I am drinking water right now because I am thirsty, think, water, drink now, then speak, I am drinking water. Your brain works like this. First equals idea, then equals words. So train it to stay simple and fast. Now practice with me. I will give you words. You speak the sentence. Eat food now. Say, I am eating food. Open door. I am opening the door. Sit chair. I am sitting on a chair. Write message. I am writing a message. Do this daily. Your speed will increase. You don't need complex grammar. You need repetition of patterns. Learn these three. I am going to, I want to, examples. I am working. I am learning English. I am going to call my friend. I want to improve my speaking. With just these three patterns, you can speak hundreds of sentences. Repeat after me. I am eating. I am working. I am studying. Now change the last word. I am eating food. I am working today. I am studying English. Now next pattern. I am going to sleep. I am going to study. I am going to call someone. Now third. I want to learn. I want to speak. I want to improve. Step 3. Speak your actions all day. This is the fastest way to think in English. Whatever you do, say it. Example. You wake up. I am waking up. You walk. I am walking. You eat. I am eating. You use phone. I am using my phone. Your life becomes your English practice. Live environment practice. Look around you right now. Say, I see a table. I see a chair. I see a screen. Now actions. I am sitting. I am watching. I am listening. This builds real-time thinking. Step 4. Mirror speaking confidence booster. Go in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. Speak clearly. Say this. Hello, my name is Peter. I am learning English every day. I feel confident. I can speak English. This improves. Confidence eye contact. Natural speaking. Step 5. Daily thinking habit. At night, don't scroll your phone. Instead, think in English. Ask yourself, what did I do today? What did I learn? What will I do tomorrow? Answer, I woke up early. I worked today. I practiced English. Tomorrow I will study. More, this creates a thinking habit. Step 6. Build English around you. Change your environment. Change phone language to English. Watch simple English videos. Read basic English sentences. Backhand index pointing right. Surround yourself with English. Your brain will adapt faster. Step 7. Thinking questions. Ask yourself simple questions. What am I doing? Where am I going? What do I want? Answer. I am studying. I am going home. I want to learn. Questions activate thinking faster. Common mistakes. Avoid these. Trying to be perfect. using difficult words, translating everything, speaking too fast without thinking. Example, I would like to consume water. I want to drink water. Simple English equals powerful English. 0-minute daily routine. Follow this. Minute 1 to 2, think in words. Minute 3 to 5, use patterns. Minute 6 to 8, speak your actions. Minute 9 to 10, think about your day. Do this for 7 days, big improvement. Final challenge. Right now, say 5 sentences in English about your day. No translating. Example, I woke up early. I am watching this video. I am learning English. I feel motivated. I will practice more. Write your sentences in the comments. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. You don't need big vocabulary. Backhand index pointing right you need. Simple thinking daily practice confidence. Start today. Stay consistent. And soon, you will think in English automatically. Subscribe for more easy English lessons.